Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a whiteboard animation video in Canva. This style works especially well for explaining ideas, products, or processes in a simple visual way, which is perfect if you're a Shopify store owner or just getting started with content. We'll start from a blank idea and end with a smooth, sketch-style video you can share as an MP4, ready for YouTube, ads, or your product pages. I'll keep things clear and practical, and I'll point out small choices that make a big difference in how professional and engaging your final video feels. First, open Canva and create a new design. Choose a video or whiteboard template, or start with a blank canvas if you prefer full control over every element. Video designs give you a timeline and the right aspect ratios for different platforms, which is helpful if you plan to reuse this content across YouTube, social media, or your Shopify homepage. Whiteboard templates, on the other hand, include simple, clean layouts that naturally suit the hand-drawn look and save time on design decisions. Pick the size that matches where you'll post it, like widescreen for YouTube, so you don't have to resize anything later. Next, head to the sidebar and open the App section. Search for the Speed Paint app and open it. This tool creates the hand-drawn sketch effect automatically, which is a huge time saver, especially if you're new to animation. Instead of animating each stroke manually, you can focus on your message and visuals while Canva handles the drawing effect for you. Now upload the image you want to be drawn, or select a single element already on your canvas. This could be a product icon, a simple illustration, a logo, or a visual that explains a step in your process. For best results, use a clear, high-contrast graphic or a transparent PNG, since these are easier for the app to trace accurately. Work one element at a time so the app can trace it cleanly and keep the drawing action focused, which helps viewers understand each point without distraction. Choose your frames per second. 30 frames per second is a great default for smooth, modern motion, especially if you want a polished, professional feel. A slightly lower frames per second gives a softer, more classic whiteboard feel that can work well for educational or explainer-style videos. Then set the sketch duration, which controls how long it takes to draw, and the color fill duration, which controls how quickly color fills in afterward. Longer sketch times give the narration time to breathe and emphasize key ideas, while shorter fills keep the reveal snappy and energetic. Select a hand style that matches your vibe, like a realistic drawing hand for a traditional whiteboard look, and pick a background color. White is the classic whiteboard look and works in most cases, but a subtle off-white can be easier on the eyes, especially for longer videos, while still keeping that clean, minimal aesthetic that viewers expect. Click Animate Image to generate the sketch. Preview the result and tweak FPS or durations if the pacing doesn't match the point you're making. This preview step is important because it lets you fine-tune the rhythm of your video before you move on, saving time later when you add narration. Build your story with multiple scenes by repeating this process for each new part of your video. Each scene can represent a new idea, benefit, or step, which is great for explaining products or walking customers through how something works. Add the next element or graphic, run it through Speed Paint, and keep your settings consistent so the style feels cohesive from start to finish. Short, focused scenes make it easier for viewers to follow along and for you to sync narration later. When all scenes are animated, add your voiceover and align it with the visuals. Match key phrases to the moment a line completes or a fill appears, because this timing helps reinforce your message and keeps viewers engaged. Adjust duration slightly if needed to tighten timing and make the video feel intentional and smooth. Finally, download your video as an MP4 and you're ready to share. You can upload it to YouTube, use it in ads, or place it directly on your Shopify store to explain products or offers more clearly. Thanks for watching. Before you go, if this video helped you understand how to create whiteboard animations in Canva, give it a like. It really helps the channel. If you're building a Shopify store or just getting started with content, make sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this, where we focus on simple tools and strategies you can actually use. Drop any questions in the comments below and let me know how you're using whiteboard videos in your store or marketing. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.